work done on the electric dipole or dipole in the electric field or uniform electric field. This question we got in examination in one time. So practice this clearly. Now let us see how we can get the final equation. Work done on dipole in the electric field. In the previous class, before this, what we have studied, torque acts on dipole in the electric field. Means dipole is taken in the electric field, torque is acts. Means two forces acts in an opposite direction and bring that into the deflection or into the rotatory motion. Means dipole comes into the deflection like this. Same diagram we want to draw here. Negative charge, positive charge, distance is 2a. It is a dipole. Dipole in the electric field, one force F is equal to QE acts in this direction, another force F is equal to QE acts in this direction. This force is same. So it makes deflection with angle theta in the uniform electric field. Now we want to calculate the work. Work, it is a scalar, but how we can write the work in the rotatory motion? When object is in a translatory motion, means object moves like this, we can write work is equal to force into displacement. Work is equal to force into displacement. But the object makes deflection. Deflection means like this. Means in the rotatory motion or deflection, how we can write the work? The work is taken as torque into angular displacement. What is the expression for work when the object is in the rotatory motion or object makes a deflection along the arc of a circle? How we can write? Work is equal to torque into angular displacement. Here also work depends on angular displacement. If angular displacement is small, work is also a small, but not depends on torque. So we can write like this. Angular displacement is small, that is d theta. Angular displacement is theta, but small angular displacement is t theta. D theta. Torque is tau. Work is also small. Why? Angular displacement is small, so work is also small. That's why dW is equal to tau into d theta. This is very, very important. You must be remember this. Okay, dW is dW. What is a tau? PE sin theta. Before this topic that we are completed. Tau is equal to how much? PE sin theta d theta. This is the small amount of work done by the dipole in the electric field with the theta, small deflection, total deflection, total work, total deflection, total work done by dipole from theta 1 to theta 2 in the electric field is, take integration, integral dW is equal to integral P sin theta d theta from where to where? Theta 1 to theta 2, theta 1 to theta 2. Integral dW is how much? W. P into E take common, P integral sin theta d theta. Integral sin theta d theta value is how much? Minus cos theta. Integral sin theta d theta is how much? Cos theta. Limits is theta 1 to theta 2. If we want to change the, means here which sign is there? Negative sign is there. Negative sign. If we remove the negative sign, these limits will interchange. That I am taken here. P is P minus cos theta. Instead of minus cos theta, we can take plus cos theta. But here theta 1, theta 2. But here what I am taken? Change theta to theta 1. So substitute that. P cos, first this value cos theta 1, second this value minus cos theta 2. Okay. This is the expression for work done on electric dipole in the electric field. Okay. But again you must be remember, work is equal to torque into angular displacement, but here work is depends on angular displacement but not torque. For angular displacement is small, work is also a small, so that we are taken d theta, here dw. To get total work, we must take integration. Now you can simplify like that, we get the final answer. W is equal to P cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2. Next topic based on the electric dipole is torque. Torque acts on electric dipole or dipole in the uniform electric field or electric field. This is also important for examination point of view, and we can use this topic in the previous classes. And next, in the next topics, we can continue this also. Now let us torque. When we use the term of a torque, when two equal magnitude of the forces acts in an opposite direction and the object comes into the rotatory motion, or object makes a deflection. In that situation, we use the term of a torque. But here, torque acts on dipole, where in the uniform electric field or electric field. This parallel lines indicates the uniform electric field or electric or uniform electric. Uniform electric field symbol is E bar. In the uniform electric field, we take electric dipole. In the uniform electric field, these are the parallel lines. Here arrow is there. What it indicates? In this side, positive charges exist. In this side, negative charges exist. It is the meaning of that. How it is means we will discuss in the next classes. Okay. Means uniform electric field symbol is this. In the uniform electric field, in this side means we can say left hand side, which charge may be exist positive. On the right hand side, which charge may be exist. The positive. In this side, what I negative charge. Leave it. You just remember that. In the uniform electric field, let us take a dipole. Dipole means negative charge, positive charge, separated by a distance to E. Is taken in the uniform electric field. It makes a deflection. It makes some deflection with angle theta. Why? Why means in this direction one force is experienced. In this direction one force is experienced. Why in this direction force is experienced? It is a negative charge. Just now I said to you, here which charge may exist? Positive. But here which charge is there? Negative. In between them what happened? Attraction force is acts. That is the physical cue. Now here arrow mark is in this side. Why? Here which charge may be exist? Negative. What is this charge? Positive. In between them attraction force what happened? The physical cue. Okay. Let us see the diagram. From the diagram we write sin theta. What is the sin theta formula? Opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse. What is opposite side? BM. What is hypotenuse? AB. Bn by, what is the value of AB from figure? 2a. So Bn is equal to a sin theta. Bn is equal to a sin theta. Now, what is the mathematical expression for the torque? Torque is equal to force into perpendicular distance between the forces. Force into perpendicular distance between the force. Okay, what is the symbol for the torque? This is the symbol. What it is called? Tau. Torque symbol is this. This is called tau. Tau is equal to force F, perpendicular distance is Bm. For this force, it is a perpendicular. For this force, is a perpendicular. For this force, it is a which one? Perpendicular. This force, this is the perpendicular. For this force, it is a perpendicular. We know the value of F. F is equal to how much? QE. What is Bn? Bn is equal to A sin. Okay, Q into 2A I have taken separately. Q into 2A E sin. Q into 2A is how much? P. So P sin theta. Tau is equal to P sin theta. Tau. It is a vector. That's why we can write vector form. Tau bar is equal to P bar cross E bar. Okay, is it clear?